In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 2 columns of text in Canva. If you're putting together a flyer, a program, or a clean layout for social content, 2 columns can make your text easier to read and your design look polished. I'll walk you through a simple, repeatable method that keeps everything aligned and consistent. Start by creating your first column of text in a standard text box. Click to add a text box and type out the content you want in the left column. Take a moment to choose your font, adjust the size, and set the line spacing so the text is comfortable to read. A slightly tighter line height often works well in columns because it reduces gaps and keeps paragraphs looking neat. If your text runs long, let it wrap naturally within the box. You can always resize the box to control width. Next, duplicate the text box so the second column matches the first. Select the text box, then press Ctrl-D on Windows or Command-D on a Mac. You can also click the duplicate icon in Canva's floating menu. Duplicating is key because it carries over your font, size, color, and spacing, which keeps both columns consistent without extra formatting work. If your second column will have different content, no problem, you'll change the text in a moment. Now, align the 2 boxes side by side. Drag the duplicated box to the right of the first one. Canva Smart Guides, those magenta lines that appear as you move objects, will help you line up the tops and sides so they're perfectly even. Watch for the vertical guide to keep your columns aligned and a comfortable gap between them. The space in the middle is your gutter, so leave enough room to keep the text from feeling crowded. Use the arrow keys to nudge for precise placement, and if you need to see details more clearly, a quick zoom in makes fine-tuning easier. Finally, group the 2 text boxes so they move as a unit. Highlight both boxes by dragging a selection over them or holding Shift while clicking each one. Then choose Group from the toolbar. Grouping ensures that if you reposition or resize the columns, they stay locked together and aligned. You can still click into each box to edit the text without ungrouping, which keeps your workflow smooth. That's it, thanks for watching.